You know, when someone puts on the headphones, I don't want them to be thinking about all the technical aspects of studio buds. I want them to get lost in the music. So to ensure a great product and great music, it really starts with the acoustic design. And even though it's a consumer product, we really take a hi-fi approach to the development. There's a saying in recording like, we'll fix it in the mix. We don't subscribe to that. When it comes down to it is really, what does the headphone sound like? That's what really matters to the end user. How do you take a speaker and put that experience into a headphone? Every transducer special that we make, it's all custom designed. This one's special is that we use a 2-piece diaphragm, and it was specifically made for ANC. ANC, active noise cancellation, is you want to cancel out everything else in your surrounding, in your environment. Transparency is you're bringing all that into the headphones. So the challenge there is how do you naturally mix it back into the headphone so that it's an authentic experience and you're not really noticing that you have the headphones on.
We spend countless hours and iterations making sure we have the right product fit and user experience with it. Because fit plays an important role in also having great sound. We use extensive qualitative testing coupled with anthropometric data, taking into account the shape of thousands of different ears to deliver the most comfortable, secure fit possible and to accommodate all-day use. The silicone ear tips for studio buds are an all-new design, and we redesigned our small, medium, and large to capture the largest user base possible. The ergonomic shape guided us towards the axial design of the driver and the acoustic nozzle. It's important because they're also aligned in a way that's perfectly matched to the position of the eardrum.
What we set out to do with the case was we really wanted it to do is be able to complement the buds. We were looking for something that was compact with an iconic form factor. So with the Beats Studio Buds, you get up to 2 charges and 24 hours of listening time, all from a case that fits in your pocket.
It was really important to us to create a great user experience for both ecosystems. And the chipset itself is extremely unique. So it offers the dual native compatibility with iOS and Android. And that's a first for the industry. So it makes a seamless experience right out of the box, regardless of which ecosystem.
There's a really good blend of emotion and technology and innovation that really makes Beats special. With Beats Studio Buds, ultimately we set out to create the best true wireless product that relentlessly focuses on music.
Late at night, kiss me in the morning or late at night.